Do you know that there are CapCut alternative apps that you can use where you are not going to even pay a dime? All the functions that CapCut is having, you are going to be able to use the same functions without paying even $1 or even 1 cent. My name is Julius. This is the Julius Hub. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Then you leave a like and a comment in the comment section for me. Whatever you want me to do a research about, I am going to do the research and come and do a video about it just for you, my loyal follower. Again, I'm Julius. Let's go. Now, the first app I'm going to talk about is none other than Adobe Premiere, the mobile version. The Adobe Premiere mobile version is a free editing video app that you can use to do whatever CapCut is doing for you at a fee for free. So what that means is if you're using the Adobe Premiere, the mobile version, you're going to be able to do everything CapCut does, but that is going to be for free. Now, the second app that I'm going to talk about is Spring. Now, Spring is an app which was created by the creators of KineMaster. But unlike KineMaster, which is a paid version, Spring is free. And Spring also does whatever CapCut does, but for free. Absolutely free. What you are going to do is just to watch an ad to remove their logo from your video. And that's all. Unlike CapCut, people are paying hundreds of dollars every single month, every single year in order to get their videos edited. But play smart. Use these editing tools that I've given you in this video and use them wisely. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that when I drop amazing content like this, you're going to be the first person to see it. And make sure you've clicked on the bell notification icon. I'm Julius and I'm out.